Okay, I'm going to play around with the tube just a little bit.
Okay.
This is a hollow receiving tube, same thing that would have been used for the nails, but much smaller.
You seem so nervous.
Okay, chin up a little bit more. Okay, little breath in. And out nice and slow. Let it go. Oh, right through the sweet spot. Beautiful.
Oh my god!
How did that feel? Huh?
Okay, very, very still here, okay? Oh, this part's a little rough, sorry. And you are done with the beetle.
Oh my god!
How's that for you?